Today we are going to revise most important question according to board point of view of probability. Let us move to question number 1. A dice rule once. What is probability of getting 5? When a dice rules, there are 6 possible upcomings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probability of getting a specific outcome is probability total number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcome. फेवरेबल आउटकम 1 है, पॉसिबल आउटकम 6 है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हुई 1/6. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. A coin tossed twice. What is the probability of getting 2 heads? Okay, when a coin tossed twice, the total possible outcome are H's, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. ठीक है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हुई नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम विच इज 2 हेड, ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम विच इज 1, 2, 3, 4. प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी 1/4. Third question. A card is drawn from a deck of cards. ठीक है. What is probability of getting a red card? A standard deck of card contain 52 card. 52 card होते हैं. With the help of them, the red is 26 card. Heart is 13 card. 13 card diamond. ठीक है. The probability number of red card which is 26 divided by total number of card which is 52. क्या आ गया 1/2. 1/2 probability. A pack contains 3 red, 4 green, 5 blue. What is probability of drawing red? 3 red, 4 green, 5 blue. Total number of ball 12. तो रेड बॉल की probability number of red ball divided by total number of ball क्या आ गया 3/12 equal to 1/4. The probability of drawing red ball is 1/4. The box contains 10 balls. Number 1 to 10. What is probability of drawing a ball with a greater than 5? ठीक है, तो favorable outcome are the ball numbered as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 5 favorable outcomes. So total number of outcome is 10. Number of favorable outcome is 5. Total number of outcome is 10. 1/2. Clear? Sixth question. A box contains 3 black balls, 5 white balls. If one ball is drawn at random, what is probability that the ball is white? Total number of balls is 3 plus 5 is 8. Number of white ball which is 5. Probability 5/8. A ball contains 2 red, 3 green, 4 yellow ball. If ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is either red or green? The favorable outcome are red and green ball, which mean red plus green is 5, or total 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. तो probability क्या हो गई 5/9 favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome, which is 5/9, and we get this. A coin toss three times. What is probability of getting exactly 2 head? The total number of possible outcome when tossing a coin 3 times is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Favorable outcome is 3 coin HH, HT, HT, HTT, which is 2. Probability is equal to 3/8. This is 3/8. Clear? 2 हेड की प्रोबेबिलिटी पता करनी थी. हेड कहाँ पे आता है? HH पे 3 टाइम में 3 हेड आएगा. ठीक है, इसलिए 3/, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम क्या आ रही है आगे. क्लियर? 9 क्वेश्चन. A card draws from well shuffled deck is this. What is probability that it is queen? ठीक है, 4 क्वीन होती है 52 कार्ड्स में. 4/52 आया 1/13. This is probability. Do this are thrown. What is probability of getting sum of 9? Total number of possible outcome twice is thrown is 6 into 36. Now let me find favorable outcome where the sum is 9. 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. Okay, तो 4 है favorable outcome. Favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome is 4/36 का कल कैलकुलेट किया था 1/9. क्लियर? A bag contains 4 red ball, 3 green, 2 blue. What is probability of drawing green ball? Red ball 3 green 2 blue 9 ball. Probability क्या होगी balls की? What is probability green ball? Green ball कितनी है हमारे पास 3. Number of green ball divided by total number of ball 3/9. A dice roll once. What is probability of getting number less than 4? Total 6. The number less than 4 are 1, 2, 3. 3 favorable outcome. 3 favorable outcome divided by total outcome 3/6, which is 1/2. A coin flipped 3 times. What is probability of getting exactly 1 tail? 3 times a coin flipped कितने टाइम की मीन्स 8। टोटल आउटकम क्या हो गया? 8 हो गया। अब हमें टेल का देखना है। हेड टेल हेड 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 टेल टेल हेड हेड, 1 टेल दोबारा। फेवरेबल आउटकम 3 आ गया, 3/8। A card draws from a deck is 52 card. What is probability of drawing a card that is either king or shade? 4 king, 13 shades. Total a card is drawn from a deck 52 card. What is probability of drawing a card other king and shade? ठीक है, एक कार्ड निकाल लें. However, the king shade of it twice. King and once shade, once a king, once a shade. So we need to subtract 1 to avoid the double counting. Total number of favorable outcome is 4 king, 13 shade minus 1 shade is this. Total number of possible outcome is 52. 16/52. Clear? A bag contains 6 red balls, 4 blue, 1 ball is drawn at random. What is probability that ball is either red or blue? तो हमारे पास 6 रेड 4 ब्लू, टोटल बॉल 10 हो गए. Since all probable either be red or blue, the number of favorable outcome is 10. 10/10 1. A dice are thrown. What is probability of getting sum of 7 or 11? When two dice throws, the total number of possible outcome is 6 into 6 is 36. The favorable outcome of sum of 7 is this 6. Favorable outcome of sum of 11 is this. Total number of favorable outcome is 7 and 11. दोनों का sum कर दिया is 8/36. A box contains 10 balls. 3 of them are yellow. If one ball is randomly selected, what is probability? And it is yellow. Total number of ball in the box is 10. Number of yellow ball is 3. Probability is 3/10. A die is rolled twice. What is probability of getting 6 on first roll and odd number on second roll? The probability of getting roll 6 is 1/6. Since there is one favorable outcome, 6 out from possible 6 outcome. The odd number on die is 1, 3, 5. So probability of roll odd number is 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. The probability of individual probability is probability 1 by 6 into odd number probability of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 12. क्लियर? पहले हमने 6 ऑन फर्स्ट रोल में 6 कितनी बार है, तो डाइस का टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी 6 होता है, 1 by 6 होगा. ऑड नंबर कितनी बार है, ऑड नंबर 1, 3, 5 है, विच इज़ 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. तो ऑड नंबर की और probability of both event happening की क्या है, 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 12. A bag contains 2 red, 5 green, 3 yellow balls. If 2 balls are drawn at randomly without replacement, what is probability of both balls are green? 2 रेड है, 3 ग्रीन है, 5 ग्रीन है, 3 येलो है. टोटल बॉल की प्रोबेबिलिटी 10 है. ठीक है. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्राइंग बॉल विथ फर्स्ट ड्रॉ इज 5 by 10. ठीक है. टोटल बॉल 10 है, 5 by 10 क्योंकि ग्रीन की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी, 5 by 10. After one green ball is drawn, the total number of ball is 9. एक बॉल निकाल ली तो कितनी बॉल बची, टोटल नंबर में 9 बची. The number remaining the green ball is 4. अब पहले 5 थी, 5 में से एक निकल गई तो 4 बची, फिर 4 by 9 आएंगे. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बोथ इवेंट हैपनिंग, पहला और दूसरा इवेंट होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी, इज 20 by 90 इज इक्वल टू 2 by 9. A spinner is divided into 8 equal sections, number 1 to 8. What is probability of spinning a number greater than 5? The possible outcome on the spinner is 1 to 8. The number greater than 5 are 6, 7, 8. ठीक है. तो 3 फेवरेबल आउटकम 3 by 8. थैंक यू.